Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanner here, and today I'm going to be talking about how a broke college student can make money, potentially. So first I wanted to introduce myself. Obviously my name's Tanner. I'm 20 years old and I am a computer science major at Cal Poly Pomona. And today I want to talk about how you could potentially make money and the different ways to possibly make money as a broke college student without having to work a job, because it takes up too much of your time and you're trying to focus on your studies, especially if you're taking like 16 units. So first thing I want to talk about is start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be very beneficial for many different reasons, but one of the reasons that you can actually make money with YouTube is their YouTube partnership program. So in order to qualify for the YouTube partnership program, you need to have at least 1,000 subs, and you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time within a 365-day period. So it used to be very easy to actually get monetized with YouTube, but now it's a lot harder because the 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, or 365-day period, is very difficult to do until you actually build a community. So it's not something that's going to happen overnight. I'm sick of finding videos on YouTube where it's like, make money this way, make money that way, and become an instant millionaire, or make money online, or, you know, passive income. Like these different terms that are used just to get tag words and bait people into clicking on their video and liking and subscribing, and, you know, whatever it is, they're just using it to basically bait people into their videos. But that being said, smash that like button if this video is helping you out so far. And the next thing I wanted to talk about was make a Skillshare class. So Skillshare.com is a website that you can use to potentially put out classes to educate people on different things. Or not necessarily educate, but you can put out different content to teach people a skill or a craft. So for example, let's say I have a Skillshare page and I want to teach people how to edit videos in Sony Vegas Pro. Then I can make a class on how to do that, a step-by-step class with a project in the end that they would start in the beginning and work their way through progressively to get to the end and complete, and have some sort of sense of accomplishment, and they learned a skill along the way. And Skillshare actually makes it so you have a free account, and you could do this for free, but once you put it out for 30 days, your trial ends, and then you have to pay like $100, I think, for the whole entire year. But from what I've heard is you can make a decent amount of money doing that, and you basically don't do anything at all. That would actually become a source of passive income once you initially make the video and put it out there. The next thing I wanted to talk about was make a Fiverr shop. So Fiverr.com is a great website that you can use to do anything, really. Hire people to edit your videos, hire people to make a thumbnail, hire people to make a logo for a shirt. Really, it's endless on what's out there. People just use their skills and their marketing abilities, whatever it is, and they put it out there on a page, and they charge money, and you can pay like $5, $10, whatever it is, whatever the price, for them to do something for you. So it's very useful. Like, I just used Fiverr for someone to create a logo design for merchandise for a t-shirt. So something like this shirt, for example, where there's this, you know, logo. Someone could make that and give me the JPEG, and then I could use it to sell merchandise. Another thing I wanted to talk about was creating an Instagram page. I think creating an Instagram page is very, very beneficial. So this is something that I just started doing a couple of months ago. I created an Instagram page, which now has over 5,400 followers. And I got my very first sponsorship on there, which allows me to make $60 a month from just posting. And now that I have a decent amount of following, I'm actually creating merch for that page that has to do with the page overall. So people will hopefully buy that when I put it out. And that's another way to make money just on the side. Investing in the stock market. This is a big one. This one is a big one for me. It's a lot. There's a lot you need to learn. I think financials are really important. Financial education. They don't really teach you that in school unless you're specifically going to college for it. But in high school, you know, they don't teach you about that. You learn math and science and English, and maybe you take half a semester on econ in your senior year. But Really, you need to learn about the stock market, what a stock is, all the different moving parts to it, because it's very complex, and you could easily lose if you're not smart. Even smart people lose because there's no guarantees in the stock market, but it is a good way to make money over time through dividend investment, through ETFs and index funds, which are generally really safe, which grow between a 5 and a 10% annual return each year, as well as paying a dividend payout depending on what the stock is. For example, VOO, which is a Vanguard index fund, is very, very good. They pay out dividends and they grow between 5 to 10% annually each year. So your money will grow and you'll get paid for just owning their stock, because you're technically a owner of that company, and so they're paying you a portion of what you own, and that's what a dividend is, a dividend yield. So invest in the stock market. Learn to dropship. So dropshipping websites like Shopify, Amazon does it too, Walmart does it as well. These are all different pages that I think are very, like, you can make a lot of profit doing it, but it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of effort, and you're going to have to learn. And I know there's a lot of misinformation out there on YouTube and on the internet to try and get people to buy their programs or whatnot. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to put this out there because I think it is very important to do the research and educate yourself, and you can make money doing that. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was working a part-time job. So this might not be possible for everyone, but my good friend, he works a job at nighttime, and it's a night shift. So he does school during the day, takes some naps, and then he works at night for an internet company on the phone. He barely does anything, gets paid, decent amount every hour, and he doesn't even have to do that much. So there's not a magic job for everyone out there, but this is a good example of someone who grinds all day at school, and then they work all night, and they make a decent amount of money, and then they have extra money to invest and grow the money further by doing other things that cost money to make money. Because no matter what anyone tells you, you can't make money from nothing. You can make a little bit, but really it takes money to grow money, or it takes money to make money, and that's basically what it comes down to. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It'd be great to get my watch time hours up. And if you enjoy these types of videos, leave a comment, let me know. I was thinking about making a video on stocks and basically what a stock is, everything you need to know about stocks. Thinking about putting out weekly watch lists for penny stocks that I've been watching and trying to make money with. Maybe keeping you updated on that. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on my future videos. If you want to see tutorials, classes, and skills that I teach, feel free to check out my Skillshare page. If you'd like to support me directly through my Patreon, the link's in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.